Hello, friends. Welcome to Circle Time. I am Caroline, and today I'm here with my friend Sophie. Hi, Sophie.
Hi, Caroline. Hi, friends. I am so excited to be here today for a very special, very creative, very thoughtful Circle Time.
We're going to have our friend Kim make a card with us, and this card can be for anyone special in your life, your parents, your mom or your dad, your teacher, or a special friend, and you can thank them for something that they've done for you.
Wow, Caroline, that sounds amazing. So we're going to make a special card and we're going to write a message for someone that we love. Oh, that is so great. How about we say hi to Kim?
Yes. Hello, Kim.
Hi, Kim. Thanks for joining us.
Hi, Caroline. Thank you for inviting me to draw on your show again. Today, we're going to be drawing thank you cards. Is there someone in your life that you're thankful for? There is? Great. Me too. Since Mother's Day is on Sunday, I want to make my card for my mom. But you can make it for your mom, or your dad, or your grandparents, or a friend, or a teacher, or a doctor, or a nurse. You can make it for anybody you'd like, and you can even make more than one. If you want to follow along, you can print this using the link below, and you're also going to need a box of colors, crayons or markers. I've already colored the letters in using a pattern of my favorite colors and shapes. Now I want to fill this empty space with a drawing with you. For my drawing, I'm curious to see if you can guess what it is. First, I'll draw a yellow circle. Can you tell what it is yet? Okay, next with the green marker, I will draw a long line down to the ground. Any guesses? Let's add one more thing. Grab a color and I'm going to add these half circle looking shapes all the way around my yellow shape. Can you guess it now? Yes, that's right, a flower. A lot of times when we want to say thank you to someone, we give them flowers. Good guessing. Since my mom likes red, I want to add some red to these petals, and look at this beautiful pattern. In a darker color, I add little half circles inside of the petals. Do you want to give it a try? Look at this beautiful pattern. And these colors. Ooh, this looks great! This flower needs one more thing. Can you tell what? That's right, the leaves. How could I forget? One on this side, one on that side. Leaves, if you look closely, really closely, they have lines down the middle and all throughout. I'll draw one line, this big one down the middle. One line down the middle, and on the other one too. And when I color, I'm going to use light green on one side and dark green on the other side. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, and I have another idea. Since my card is a Mother's Day card, I want this to be a mom flower, and I'm going to draw a smaller one next to it. It's going to be the baby flower. In fact, I'm going to make it one of the tiniest flowers of all, a forget-me-not. Here's one I brought to show you. Do you see how teeny tiny that is? Okay, let's draw the teeny flower next to the bigger flower, and we're gonna do all the same steps over again. By now we're pros. Another yellow circle, a green line down to the ground, and petals, teeny tiny petals. And let's practice the petal pattern we tried before. We add little half circles in a darker color inside of the petals. And last but not least, the leaf. I forgot the leaf again. Looking good! This space is empty. We can add whatever we want. I think I'll add some clouds. I don't want to be done yet, so I'm going to add one more thing. A little yellow heart. Perfect, everyone! We put a lot of love into these drawings. So do you see where it says love right here? That's a space to add your name. I bet you're great at writing your name. And there you go! A card that says a big thank you. Just to be silly, I'll even draw a couple smiley faces in the flowers. I had a lot of fun drawing with you today, and there's a lot of people in my life I'd like to thank, so I think I'll do a couple more of these today. Back to you, Caroline.
Thank you so much, Kim, for showing us how to make a card for someone special in our lives. It's such a good idea to thank those around us that are really special for us.
Yeah, and we don't just have to make cards and say thank you on Mother's Day or Father's Day or around birthdays. We can do it anytime, can't we, Caroline?
Any day. And it will really brighten up someone's day, I think.
Yeah, that's so great. Thanks, Kim.
Thank you. So today I also have a special show and tell. We have some friends from Somaliland that shared their coloring pages with us.
Oh my goodness, Somaliland?
Yes, these coloring pages came from a family in Somaliland. Ahmed drew this, colored all of these characters, and he did this one too.
Oh my goodness, he even put his name over there. That is amazing.
What's interesting about his is that he colored it on this page first, I think, with all these different colors, and then he turned his piece of paper over and he traced the characters again and colored them in a different way. Isn't that creative?
Wow, that is so creative. And when we flip it over, then the picture becomes the reverse. It's flipped around, isn't it?
And he could try different colors too.
Wow, that was really, really cool. I get the feeling that Ahmed didn't want to stop coloring. He just wanted to keep going and going.
And this one is from Hassan, and I just love the bright colors and how he also used some patterns on Cody's drum.
Wow, yep. That is excellent. I love how Olo's ears are a different color to Olo's body. Very cool. This is a great one.
And he colored in the musical notes at the top, different colors too.
Very nice. Thank you, son.
And one more from Muhammad. And this is a very brightly colored picture as well.
Wow, Muhammad, I love the red stage. That's so cool. It's so showtime. It's like a real concert. I love this. So are you telling me, Caroline, that these are 3 brothers, Ahmed, Muhammad, and Hassan, and they drew us 4 pictures?
They did. Thank you so much for sending them to us all the way from Somaliland.
Wow. And friends, if you'd like to send in your drawings for us to show and tell, or maybe it's a video or anything that you are working on, we would love to see it. Thank you so much, Ahmed, Muhammad, and Hassan.
Yes, thank you. And thank you, friends, for joining us today. I hope you have a fun and very creative day. Maybe you can make a card, or you can draw some characters and then share them with us and friends.
Great. Well, I think it's time for us to say goodbye now, Caroline.
It is. We'll see you next time. Goodbye for now from Caroline, Sophie, and the Khan Academy Kids team. Bye-bye.
Bye for now.